Heat rejection is the process by which a condenser transfers heat from the refrigerant to the outside air, so the system can continue cooling effectively. After a repair, start by confirming condenser air discharge feels noticeably warmer than ambient air using the back of your hand at a safe distance. If you cannot detect a clear temperature difference, move to measurable checks. Measure refrigerant line temperatures with a clamp-style thermometer or infrared thermometer by comparing the liquid line near the condenser exit to ambient. The liquid line should be warmer than ambient by a consistent margin depending on system design, so document readings and compare to manufacturer expected values. Check the suction line temperature closer to the compressor too, since abnormal suction temperatures can indicate insufficient heat removal or improper refrigerant charge. Record both line and ambient temperatures and note any unexpected variance. Listen carefully to compressor and condenser fan operation. A healthy system has steady compressor sound and smooth fan blade noise without grinding or irregular cycling, and sudden changes after repair often point to airflow or refrigerant issues. Inspect airflow through the condenser coil by looking for uniform heat signature across the coil face. Cold spots or uneven discharge often mean blocked fins, restricted airflow, or damaged tubes that reduce heat rejection efficiency. If readings are borderline, run the system under a typical load for at least 10 to 15 minutes and reevaluate temperatures and sounds, because transient conditions can mask persistent faults. 3 common problems are restricted airflow, incorrect refrigerant charge, and compressor or fan mechanical issues. Restricted airflow from debris or bent fins is best fixed by cleaning the coil, straightening fins with a fin comb, and ensuring at least the manufacturer recommended clearance around the unit. Incorrect refrigerant charge shows as abnormal line temperatures and pressures, so recover and weigh refrigerant as required. Then charge to manufacturer specifications while monitoring superheat and subcooling to achieve proper values. Compressor or fan mechanical problems present as unusual noises or inconsistent operation, and the concise step is to isolate the unit electrically, inspect motor mounts and bearings, verify fan blade balance and clearance, and replace failed motors or compressors if internal damage is confirmed. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners locate trusted local contractors by listing professionals and enabling direct project inquiries. Our site also helps contractors find work and connect with potential clients, and we host an active discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share experiences and troubleshooting tips.